Hey, Peppa does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to draw Peppa Pig. I hope you'll follow along with us.
You're going to need a pencil, a black marker, and something to color with.
Let's get started. Okay, and here we go. We're going to draw Peppa Pig and we're going to start with our pencil sketch. So first, we're going to start with kind of just a round shape like this, blocking in her head. And then her nose, her snout curves off of that top. The end is curved, and then it comes back, and her outline actually crosses over. That's important to the style of the show. And we'll come back and just kind of double check that circle that we're happy with it. I'm feeling like my snout is a little too big.
Yeah, it's hard to get the proportions
Yeah.
real good on this one.
She's just so specific. We gotta get it right. And then we're gonna round off the end of her nose. That'll help us check.
Bigger circle. There we go.
And she has two little dots inside.
There we go.
I don't know. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, from there we're gonna add her ears. They come right off here off the back of the head. And they cross over just a little bit, that line. And the second one right next to it. And then let's do Peppa's eyes. Right here just below the ear that we just drew. And then another eye towards her nose over here. And we'll fill in the pupils, slightly looking to the left. Perfect. Let's sketch in her cheek. She has a big rosy cheek here on the side. And a happy Peppa face, smiley face. Perfect. Now let's do Peppa's body. It's just this big bell shape. So we'll do a curved line down on this side, a curved line down on this side, and then a straight line across. Like that. Perfect, that looks great. Now she has her little arm sticking out, one here with 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then one on the other side with 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3.
Fun fact about Peppa, she has 3 fingers because pigs in real life have 3 toes on each foot.
Wow, I didn't know that. That's really cool. Pigs have 3 toes. Let's give her a little curly tail. Perfect. And then we'll do, oh, wait till you catch up.
Oh, you're good. Squigglies are hard.
Then we'll do 2 straight lines coming down that side, 2 on the other side, and then she has this kind of long, floppy, oval shape for feet. And there we have Peppa Pig. Perfect. Okay, now to finish off Peppa, let's ink her and do the black outline. I'm gonna start with the eyes. And then her head shape. Now, on her ears, remember the lines cross over just a little bit. And her nose. And I'm going to leave the cheek because I want to color that in instead of use the black. And then so I'll just do the mouth. Now let's move down to the body. Just line on the other side. Then straight across at the bottom. Perfect. Let's do her arms. And her other arm with her 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And her little tail. And her 2 legs, 2 straight legs. And then this foot shape we're gonna fill in with black. Perfect. Now we have Peppa's outline. Now we get to do the fun part, which is color her in. So first, I'm gonna start with her face. I'm gonna take this pink. I'm just gonna work from the top down. So starting with her ears. Then I'll fill in her arms. Her tail. And her legs. I'm going to switch to a darker colored pencil so I can fill in that cheek color, that rosy cheek. I guess I don't need to teach chunks. We're speeding this up. We're going.
You just go on autopilot, huh?
Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing.
My kids at home.
Good job. Is that it? We there?
I think so.
There we have Peppa Pig.
Yay!
Wow, you did so good. I love the colors you picked for Peppa.
Thank you so much, Bubba. I love the rosy cheek that you drew today.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it looks really good. I hope you guys will come back and draw more characters with us. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.